time.
Really?
Yeah. And whoever has to sit it out.
Does this work?
Yeah.
We're good. Oh my god! Okay, we gotta do it
It's
wrong.
gonna kill us or something.
Is it gonna kill us?
No.
Do you think I'd be sitting here videoing?
Wait, mine ain't got as much as you.
Oh gosh, I'm scared.
What does it taste like?
Alright, you chickens.
1, 2, 3.
Well, that didn't last long. I don't think y'all kept it in there long enough for it to kill you. Cinnamon powder went flying everywhere.
Hurry up! My throat hurts.
Okay, bad idea, huh?
It made me cry. I was laughing so hard. We ain't never doing that again. You know you want to.
Tyler's over here gagging. Okay.
She likes spreading me with like, she's like,